Hey everyone, it's your uke teacher, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Señorita on the ukulele. It is by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. So first of all, grab your uke. Now these are the chords that you're going to need. If you already know them, then that's awesome. You can skip to the later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. If not, I'll be teaching you all of them today. The first chord is an A minor, and that's just first finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. The next note is a C major 7, and this is first finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. The next note is an F major 7, your index finger on the 5th fret, 1st string, and your 2nd finger on the 5th fret, 2nd string. The next note is an E minor 7, and this is first finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. And the next note is a G, and this is easy because all you have to do is add your middle finger right in the middle of them on 3rd fret, 3rd string. Well, so I don't know if those were really difficult for you guys, but if they were, there are different alternatives to them. Instead of the C major 7 chords, you could just play a chord of C. Instead of the F major 7 chord, all you could play is an F. Instead of an E minor 7 chord, you could just play an E minor. Now, it might sound a little different, but it will sound the exact same no matter what you play, and it'll also work either way. Now, moving on to the strumming pattern, it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we have down, down, up, down, up. So just on a C chord, we have down. So with the chord progression, we start off in the A minor, just for 4 beats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the E minor 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go up to the F, 1, 2, 3, 4. But for the next two, they're only 2 beats each. 1, 2. 1, 2. So we go 1, 2, then go to the G, 1, 2. So again, we have A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. So again, the chord progression is right here, all the notes in pattern. I don't know if I exactly said it or everyone understood me, but if you didn't understand me, here are all the chords in order from chord progression. And remember, each chord is all 4 beats until the last 2 notes, which is half each. So 2 beats for the 1, 2, then to the G, 1, 2. So I'm going to play it with a little bit of the words and everything. I'll put the words down here so you know. I'm not really a good singer, so I don't quite sing, so I'll just put them down here so you know when is which. I hope this tutorial really helped you learn the song on the ukulele. Make sure to like and subscribe and to share this video with all your friends who wonder how you play that. And I'll see you guys in the next ukulele tutorial. Bye everyone.